I have them inducted Youth of Today. Very much involved in environmental protection. Very, very important. And so I went there and I had them inducted and I told them about my concern as the father of the town of the safety and of the safety of the environment. And I told them to be very careful kasi mayroong nangyari niya sa Capitol Beachfront. And it is my responsibility as your father of the town to protect you from any harm. But coming from the Philippine National Police, and then I retired, and then I became a public servant, syempre, I cannot guard every square inch of our area of responsibility. And so therefore, we promote the vigilance of everyone, while we have the responsibility as LGU in the official protection and security of everyone, especially when there are congregations, there are activities, fiestas, celebration. No? Of course, the individual security of everyone is a family concern. And so this is very important to me, family concern. I took note of some important quotes as I was listening to our presidents over here and the bishops. I took note. Today is our Family Day celebration, Family Week celebration 2024. And then I listened to the beautiful hymn, the opening hymn, Love at Home. Rachel, thank you. Rachel had been a family to me, no? Sila ni ate. When we started our Zoom Bataoil every Saturday out there, so the family had been